Hey guys, good morning. Wherever you are this morning, I hope all is well with you. Last night was horrible. I'm telling you, so horrible because we had thunderstorms all through the night. I went to sleep at 4:30 this morning. But you know what? I'm up and I'm thankful because it's a new day. And on this new day, we are here watching the birds as they come down to feed. You know, the Lord told us, He says, think of the birds of the air, how they toil not, but they're provided for. And this morning, as we watch and as we listen to their chirps, I want you to feel some sense of gratitude and relief where you are. Because just like the birds are provided for, I want you to know that you are also provided for where you are. Now, if we notice in this, the first bird came, seems like he or she scouted out the area, and then in whatever message he sent to the others, you saw how many of them came down to eat. So, as I remind you, as God provided for the birds of the air, who doesn't plant anything, they do not have jobs, but they're provided for because God has created things to happen this way. And He says, if they are provided for, what says you who was made in His image? So please feel content. And as you watch the birds feed, I want you to count them. So in your comments, you can tell me how many birds came down to feed today. So please continue watching, and I hope that it has some good effects on you and that you find new meaning in gratitude, new meaning in understanding God's words when He says, I will never leave you nor forsake you, when He promised us that He will always provide. Please find comfort in those words. He truly will provide. So I hope that you enjoy what you have seen so far. I am still here watching with you. And as you watch, if this has been a blessing to you, please remember to share this video so it can be a blessing to others also. Remember to smash the thumbs up button and like the video. Yes, God is truly amazing. Let us never ever forget how truly amazing He is. Listen to the chirps. Even if the birds are not there, you can still hear the beautiful chirps on this Sunday morning. After the rain and after the loudness of the thunder and after the sharp claps of lightning, it still turned out to be a beautiful day afterwards. Continue watching, my friends, and please remember, if you can't be good, be careful, but walk good. Onward and upward, we say, and remember, God always provides.